Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate a dreamy photo shoot using Gemini, using AI. Add in your picture and you're going to paste this prompt here. And you're just going to press enter. I will put the prompt in the description box down below as per usual. Just going to wait for this to generate. It's going to create a super dreamy, cute, vintage photo shoot, I guess. And once it's done generating, this is what it should look like. It's like an Apple photo shoot, I would say. Kitschy. Is that the word to define that? Aesthetic? I don't know. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!